This is the perfect cup of Darjeeling tea. You may have heard of this tea from the Beatles song, but what actually makes this tea so special? First off, it's from Darjeeling, India. The name of the tea comes from the region it's grown in, which is known as the Himalayas of India. This black tea has a very distinct flavor that's hard to describe. But many say it's floral, fruity and musky, with some even saying it has a champagne-like quality to it. The best way to brew it is by using filtered water that's just off the boil. Pour a little bit in your kettle, add your tea bag, let it steep for about 3 minutes, then pour it into your favorite mug. I like to add a little bit of milk, but you can drink it plain if you want. Now here's the thing. Darjeeling tea is already bitter, so adding milk to it will only enhance the bitterness. So if you do add milk, make sure it's whole milk. Otherwise it'll be too watery and not as creamy. The flavor of this tea is best enjoyed on a cold day in the winter, but it's also great after a big meal. It's the perfect tea to get you thinking and feeling great. So take a moment, close your eyes, smell the aroma and enjoy the moment. Here in the UK, we love our tea, but sometimes it can be hard to find a good quality tea that's not full of caffeine. That's why I've started my own tea company called Sips. We use only natural ingredients and we don't add any artificial flavors or preservatives. Our teas are also caffeine-free, which means you can enjoy a nice cup of tea before bed. We currently have 3 different types of tea: black tea, green tea and herbal tea. Each one is carefully selected and blended to give you the perfect cup of tea. We source the finest black tea from Assam and Darjeeling in India. The green tea is from the Zhejiang province in China and our herbal tea is a blend of organic herbs and spices. I'm an ambassador for a tea brand, but I've been drinking their tea for years. Their black tea is strong and robust with a malty flavor that's perfect for a cold winter's day. The green tea is delicate and refreshing with a smooth, grassy flavor. And the herbal tea is a perfect caffeine-free alternative with a soothing, slightly sweet flavor. All of their teas are packed full of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that are good for your health. And because they're all natural, you don't have to worry about any artificial ingredients or preservatives. Plus, their teas are really easy to prepare. Just steep the tea bag in hot water for a few minutes and then enjoy. So next time you're looking for a perfect cup of tea, be sure to check out Sips. Use the link below to get 10 off your first order.